Welcome to our channel where today we'll walk you through the simple steps to apply for Medicaid in the U.S. and get the coverage you need. Applying for Medicaid in the United States can seem complicated, but breaking it down into easy steps makes the process straightforward. First, understand that Medicaid is a health insurance program for those who meet specific income and eligibility requirements. It's designed to help low-income individuals and families access medical care. The very first step is to check if you qualify. Each state has its own criteria, but generally you'll want to consider your household income, family size, and sometimes age or disability status. You can visit your state's Medicaid website or use the National Medicaid Eligibility tool to find out if you're likely eligible. Once you confirm eligibility, gather all necessary documents. This usually includes proof of identity like a driver's license or birth certificate, income proof such as recent pay stubs or tax returns, residency documents, and any current health insurance information. Having these ready will speed up your application. Next, you decide how to apply. Most states offer multiple ways: online applications through your state's health department website, in person at local Medicaid offices, by mail, or even by phone. Applying online is often the fastest and most convenient way. When filling out the application, be accurate and honest about your information. Double-check all entries before submission to avoid delays. After submitting your application, the state agency will review your information and may contact you for additional details or documents. This review usually takes a few weeks. If approved, you will receive your Medicaid ID and information about your coverage. If your application is denied, don't be discouraged. You have the right to appeal the decision, and the Medicaid office can guide you through this process. Remember that Medicaid coverage is often retroactive to the date of application or even earlier, so keep all related paperwork. It's important to renew your Medicaid coverage annually and notify your state if your income or household situation changes. This helps maintain continuous coverage without interruption. By following these simple steps, checking eligibility, gathering documents, applying through your preferred method, and following up, you can successfully navigate the Medicaid application process. This ensures you and your loved ones can access the healthcare support you deserve. Don't forget to keep track of deadlines and communicate with your state agency when needed to make this journey as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content on health and social services.